Let's go to the show me, tell me questions. Now, if he says to you, how would you check your indicators working properly? So I'll press the hazard one light, and I'd walk around the car and check them. Okay. If he said to you, how would you put your rear demister on? This button here, that's the rear demister. If he said, how would you put your front demister on? That button there, that's your front demister, so press that. If he said, how would you check your foot brakes working properly? You just tell him you would press the foot brake, and it should fail firm, and the car shouldn't pull to one side when you press it. He said, how would you check your brake lights are working properly? You would just press your foot brake whilst looking the inside mirror, and you should be able to see a reflection behind you. If there's no reflective surface behind you, while you press the brake, ask him to get the car. If he said, how would you put your side lights on that one there, just turn it away. You can just twist it away, twist the end of that away, you twist it until one bulb comes on. You leave it there. As you can see, one bulb on the front, that's your side lights. Now if you twist it again the same direction, as you can see, that's your dip lights. And it could actually do these while you're moving. Okay? If you said, how would you put your fog lights on? Move your finger a little bit further down the stalk and twist it away once. A bit further down. You know, hand a bit further down the stalk. That's it. And twist that away. And if you look at your front fog lights, twist it away again. Same thing. That's your rear fog light. Then turn your fog lights off. Excellent. And if you see it, so when you use your fog lights, if you see it when it's foggy, I'll kill you. When the visibility is below 100 meters. Okay. If you said, how would you clean your windows on your right hand side, pull that towards you. Good. And that's how you clean the front windows. So to clean the rear window, the right hand side, twist the end away from it. Just like you would twist it. Okay. Look there. Okay. Twist the end, twist the button. If he said, how would you know if your anti-lock braking system isn't working properly, or the ABS? Just tell him a one light comes on the dashboard. Don't be clever and try and tell him which one. Just see a one light comes on the dashboard. Okay. If he says, how would you adjust your head restraint? You just lift it up so your eyes are roughly in the middle of it. Okay. If he said, what's the minimum tread depth of the tyres? 1.6 millimeters over at least 3/4 of tyres, no lumps and bumps or cuts in. If he said, how would you check your tread depth? Use a tread depth gauge. If not a gauge, it's a gauge. Okay. If he says, how would you check your tyre pressure? You would tell me to use a tyre pressure gauge. You wouldn't phone your dad, or you wouldn't kick your tyre. Okay. If he says, how would you check your tyre pressure? Again, it's a tyre pressure gauge. If he said, how would you check the oil level? You just identify the dipstick, and that's not very by the way. And you would pull the dipstick out. It's got an orange little ring on this one, and it's twin min maximum. So you just dip it in, take it out, and then look at min maximum. Okay, you wipe the twin. He said, how would you check your brake fluid level? It's the only one what's on the passenger side under the bonnet. It's got the yellow cap on it on this car, and it's just point right, and it should be twin min maximum. So how would you check your horns working properly? That's the side of it. That's it. The horn. That's the horn. What noise is it? Alright, any questions there? Yeah.